Most people have heard about NASA, some know about European Space Agency, but JAXA, it's known to quite a few people, especially from an Indian perspective. Hi, my name is Pawas and I'm a research intern at NIMS in Japan, and my institute is literally right in front of JAXA, which is Japan's space agency. So I did what any curious engineer would do. I walked in, and what I found inside genuinely surprised me. This is my walk from NIMS to JAXA. If you ever visit Tsukuba, it's about 2 kilometers from Tsukuba station. You just cross a couple of traffic signals, go through a very quiet Japanese street, and then it just appears in front of you, the JAXA Tsukuba Space Center. This is what it looks like from outside. Very quiet and very Japanese. It's just like any other research campus, but don't let that fool you. What you'll see inside will really surprise. So the first thing that hits you as you enter the campus is this, a full-scale rocket right in front of the main headquarters building. Now we head straight to the Space Dome, JAXA's public exhibit hall. And the moment you walk in, you understand that this isn't just a display. It's a statement about what Japan believes about space. This is the floor map of the Space Dome. That is everything you're about to see here. They also run some paid guided tours across the day, the timing for which are displayed here. And then this hits you, a massive, curved, high-definition LED display. It's the same one that was the part of JAXA's pavilion at the Osaka Expo last year in 2025. Next to it, a large detailed surface map of the Earth which shows how the satellites revolve around the planet and other things. And this is what got me the most, a pressurized lunar rover, a joint project between JAXA and Toyota. Astronauts can live, travel across the moon's surface inside this without wearing a spacesuit. It's a part of NASA's Artemis moon program. Now moving into satellites, this specific satellite right in front of you is a broadcasting type satellite, and the gold foil which you are looking at it is actually a Kapton foil, which is a thermal insulation that protects electronics from the extreme space temperatures. Now this one is different. It's a data relay satellite, which is basically a signal repeater in the orbit. And there are several other satellites as well. Have you heard of International Space Station? This is Japan's contribution to it, a module called Kibo, meaning hope in Japanese. It is the largest single module on the ISS, built entirely by JAXA engineers. Now these are Japan's prototype launch vehicles. JAXA developed its own independent rocket capability. And this is the second stage engine, just rocket science in front of you. This vehicle is called Konotori, white stock. JAXA used it to autonomously deliver supplies to International Space Station multiple times. And finally, space food. JAXA has certified dozens of traditional Japanese food of space sushi, space ramen, space curry, space water, and so on. That was the complete overview of the Space Dome. And I hadn't even been to Space Cube yet. After the Space Dome, we walk into the Space Cube, JAXA's museum store. And if you are a space enthusiast, please budget some money before you come in here, because you will spend it. As soon as you enter, you encounter this. They sell actual certified space food here. Cookies, so many, space curry, space sushi, ISS astronaut water. Curry, pudding, space bread, tofu, and even chocolate cake. All of it clear for consumption in zero gravity. And the last thing, this. A high definition interactive simulation of the entire moon's surface. You can rotate it freely, navigate to any location, and zoom directly into individual craters. The detail is remarkable. This is built on actual lunar mapping data, not a illustration. I spent more time here than I planned. You can find famous landing sites, explore the South Pole where Chandrayaan 3 landed, zoom into the terrain features that no human has physically stood on yet. It's one of those quiet moments where you genuinely feel the scale of what space exploration actually means. And that was my visit to JAXA. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel.